Midjourney changes the way art works. It is often said that pictures speak 1,000 words, so if a picture like that is created with only a few words, wouldn't that change the way art is made? Yes, you're right, it would. And we're not telling you to imagine it or visualize it, because it has already been turned into reality with Midjourney, an AI art generator from text, and millions of people are using it to their advantage. So if you want to be one of them, keep watching the video until the end. Before we begin, subscribe to our channel for more interesting content, and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. Here we begin. We're not exaggerating when we say that this artificial intelligence, or AI art generator, will change how you create your art. We're not exaggerating. The Midjourney program is possibly the most controversial and widely talked about artificial intelligence program of the year 2022. It has been deemed the digital wormhole of the 21st century for our mind's imaginative and creative aspects. A rising fixation with artificial intelligence has beheld mankind, uncovering a spot for AI in every human scheme of lives. With such an aim of obscuring the strings between art, design, and technology, the advent of Midjourney came as a whiff of fresh air that didn't take much time to become a whirlwind. Despite the fact that various other artificial intelligence programs produce pictures with the help of text prompts, such as Imagen, Stable Diffusion, and DALL-E, Midjourney has taken a scantily distant path. The Midjourney program was introduced on Discord, a social forum or platform that most of you know or use. The launch, therefore, gave the creators an alternative to not only generate art but also share and grow together as a community. The Midjourney has established its space among various other AI programs, leveling a delicate aspect of togetherness and competitiveness. So if you're wondering what Midjourney is, let us help you understand properly. The Midjourney is nothing but an artificial intelligence program which is created by a sovereign research lab run by David Holes. The lab's main objective is to expand the creative strengths and abilities of the human species. David is also the co-founder of Leap Motion. The program is currently under a freemium business model in an open beta available on Discord. So how do you create a Midjourney? To start creating on Midjourney, you'll need to first join a channel in the Discord in the Midjourney server. After joining the channel, type /imagine preceded by your prompt. Then, you'll need to enter the text prompt based on what you want to create and run it. As a result, Midjourney will promptly provide you with 4 unique pictures generated from your entry. You can then easily select the image and upscale it or use it to creative variations of your preference. Midjourney provides you with a picture very easily with the help of only a few words. In addition to the discussion of its outstanding outputs, there are also discussions in the design and art world on its implications, similar to the debates of painters and artists after the invention of photography. And today, we conventionally live in a time where the coexistence of art and photography is possible, as a matter of fact, sustaining assistance to each other. Nonetheless, it's only a matter of time before we discover what artificial intelligence can provide us or take away. It's safe to say that Midjourney serves to be a profitable and useful program. What we mean when discussing Midjourney is Midjourney's interactive bot. It utilizes machine learning to generate images based on prompt text. A bot is an independent program available on the internet or another similar network that can communicate with users or systems. The program originates from obtaining concepts and rendering them into reality. There's other good news worth mentioning. Several other similar technologies are being developed, for instance, DALL-E 2. When the user interprets what they wish to output to be like, the MJ bot works to find pictures similar to what the user has interpreted and integrates them artistically and uniquely. The final result the user receives is more than a basic composite. Instead, the user gets unique creation. How to get a Midjourney? The Midjourney program recently launched its beta testing just a few months ago in July. Before that, a user needed to have an invite from another user to access the platform and use it. With this widening access, everyone today can test this modern realm of AI art generation made possible through Midjourney. This is why it's becoming so intensively popular these days, because whoever wants to experiment can very effortlessly and efficiently use Midjourney for their endeavor. As we have mentioned before, the Midjourney bot operates through the Discord server, so the user must log into their browser and be able to use the program. There is another way. The app can be downloaded into the user's smartphone via these simple steps. In the Discord browser, open Midjourney and click the Join the Beta option available in the app. The user will recognize an invite they need to approve. After approving the request, a Getting Started link will appear, where they can find comprehensive instructions on how to use the bot. Now when the user logs back into the Discord app, an MJ icon will appear in the left-hand column of their screen. It appears white with a boat icon. This means they are in and can now use Midjourney. How to use Midjourney. After we have cleared what Midjourney is and how to get access to it, let's look at how to use it and create AI-generated art. When users click on the MJ app icon on Discord, they are directed to the MJ workspace. There, on the left-hand row, is a list of chat rooms that will be available, and the user can start in any one of the beginner's rooms and start creating. There is another factor on which the final outcome depends. It is the aptitude of the user for writing prompts. Some people even consider it as half the joy of using Midjourney. Presently, the bot is better at generating artistic images than photographic ones. Occasionally, the outcomes seem like a photograph, but generally, they seem like a drawing or painting. This shouldn't come as a surprise, but the bot recognizes various prominent figures. For example, in a recent event, the daily prompt comprised John Oliver. After about 24 hours, almost everyone on the server created pictures of the popular comedian. Creators on the platform usually refine their pictures by operating the program several times. Every time they sift the prompt explanation and try distinct variations. There are some prompts that add functionality and execute specific instructions. All the images are set in a square format by default. However, typing AR 16:9, for example, alters the characteristic ratio to a broad landscape, mainly precise for video screens. If a user wants to view all the art in there created, they can go to the Midjourney page and log in. All of their creations will be available from the home page, and you can download them from there. Images produced or generated on Midjourney are public. They can be viewed by everyone by default. Although this is not it is possible to even interact by another user's creations by upscaling it in a way you prefer or requesting variations. In this way, you also get to learn from other creators. However, if you do not wish your account to be public, there is an option available to make it private. That's all for today, but we'll be back soon with some more amazing content, so stay tuned. Drop your suggestions about what you want our next video to be about in the comments section below. If you like today's content, remember to press the like and share button. Take care, and thanks for watching.